Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in today. We are going to go over neck stretches. So we're going to go over 3 different neck stretches. We are going to keep it very basic today because sometimes it is good to just go back to a simple foundation when it comes to stretching our body. And I'm going to cue with a few different modifications to intensify these stretches if you're feeling like they aren't doing quite enough for you. So we are going to start with a lateral flexion. So come into a sitting position where you feel nice and sturdy. So, it's rooting down those sits bones into the floor or maybe sitting in a chair upright. Make sure your back is nice and straight and we are not hunching over because that defeats the purpose of what we are doing. Okay, so starting with the right side, we are going to take our right hand and we are going to reach right around to our left ear. Now from here, again, making sure we are sitting up nice and straight, shoulders are gently engaged behind us. You can hold on to that left knee if you're sitting in a cross-legged position, or if you're sitting in a chair too. From here, we're going to tip the right ear towards the right shoulder, and you're going to start to feel a nice long stretch along that left hand side. So this is a great way to start, and if this feels like it's enough for you, hang out here and that's super cool. Enjoy yourself. Hang out here 30 to 90 seconds if you like, split it up, take a little break, come on out, go back in, whatever you need to do. So if this is feeling a little too easy and you want an extra stretch, what you can do is extend that hand down to the floor so fingertips are touching the floor, and you want to kind of reach away from your body as far as your arm will go. That lets your fingertips still keep in touch with the floor. If this doesn't work for you, you can fold your arm back behind you, reach up in between your shoulder blades, and hold on to that. So try all 3 of those out. And of course, we're going to go on to the other side. The next stretch you're going to do is going to bring a little bit of rotation into the stretch. So again, we're going to start out with that right arm coming over onto the left side, just around your ear. And from here, we're going to look down towards our right knee. So from here, this might feel a little wonky, so you actually may want to grab on right onto the back of your head, because what we're going to do is we're going to tuck our chin down in line with that knee. So we're kind of on about a 45-degree angle, and you're going to start to feel a stretch all along the back left side of your neck. So good. Tuning into where those shoulders are, making sure that back is still engaged and we're not hunching over. And again, if you feel like you're not really getting enough out of this stretch, feel free to bring that elbow up, tuck it behind you, or stretch that left arm fingertips out beside you. And last but not least, a nice big stretch up the back of your neck. You're going to clasp the fingertips behind you, hold on, cradle the back of the head, and then from here, we're going to drop the elbows, and this is the only time I'll tell you to hunch over. You're going to tuck the chin, let everything relax, let gravity do the work, and just hang on to a nice stretch up the back of the neck. All right, guys, thanks again for tuning in. I hope those are helpful. Let me know how it goes. Leave a comment below, and I'd like to see how you're progressing.